Hey y'all, I am back and better with another video. Welcome to my channel, J Wild Squad. If you are new here, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn your post notifications on. Hit that bell, make it red so you are notified every time that I upload a video. But if you are not new here, welcome back, and you already know what to do. So today, as you can see in the background, my daughter is messing with my Amazon packages. I'm going to be doing an Amazon haul. Yay! So I got mail and I thought I would bring you along with me as I open my package. You can see my daughter wanted to help me this morning open the packages. So don't mind my slippers, you may be able to see them. But here is one of the packages, one of the boxes that I opened. So let's get right into it. It's actually pretty easy to open, so I don't need any scissors. I had the scissors with me, but ooh. You gonna help me? What is it? Grab it. Or it's a lemonade maker. Let's see. Alright, so as you can see, here is the Elite Gourmet Compact Slow Juicer. This is a juicer that you can juice really pretty much any of your fruit. So for me, I am going to be juicing up the fruit. Maybe even some vegetables. I know today I'm going to be making a pasta and my blender doesn't work and I need the tomatoes to actually be blended so they can turn into a juice form. So this actually comes in handy. It came right on time. So I'm excited to use it today. Maybe I will film that for you guys. So basically, the features of this Elite Gourmet Compact Slow Juicer is juice and pulp separation function, extract maximum amount of nutrients, vitamins, and healthy delicious juice, space-saving compact design, slow oxidation means juice stays fresh longer. And it is actually BPA free, no bisphenol A. It states that on the box. And then on the back of the box it states basically just showing you what comes in the juicer and what it consists of. Basically a wide mouth chute to easily add ingredients without spills, auger with powerful motor to extract the maximum amount of nutrients, vitamins, and healthy delicious juice, juice spout with sealable cap. Don't do that. Food pusher, powerful compact base with suction feet for stability. The power switch with reverse function to avoid stuck food. So let's open it and I can see and I can show you all. Actually, you wanna help mommy take it out? I'll show you just a little snippet of it. It is the box. So here's the brush that you can clean it with. Here is the actual juicer. On top, it has the cup on top, and then this is the rest. This is the juicer. So that's what it looks like. I'm gonna stick it back in the box. And then here is, these are for drums. My husband actually plays the drums. Here's the drums. It's not drums, it's I believe it's a splasher. I'll insert the description of what it is somewhere in the video. So that's that. On to the next box.
Oh, my
Here's the next box. She's excited. Let me see. gotta put that back with the juicer.
Yeah. Let's do open this one.
Yeah, we're gonna open this one. It's good up there? Alright, so this right here, as you can see, is an SanDisk Ultra SDXT. Okay, yep, I'm gonna show you what that one is. UHS iCard. It is 128 gigabytes, speed up to 140 megabytes. So I needed this because my memory was running low, so this definitely will come in handy so I can make more content for you all. So that is that. Look, we're gonna open this one.
Open this one.
Yeah.
Open this one. Oh, Mommy, open this one.
We already opened the juicer. Now we're gonna tell them what the next item is.
Yeah. Mommy, Mommy did hide on the door.
Is that
Do
right?
Mommy.
Look.
Do Mommy door.
Alright, so next item is my tripod. Actually, we're dropping stuff. Here is the tripod. The brand is a newer. It's a T30. So this actually will come in handy for me as well because I at the moment didn't have a tripod, but I have a tripod now because my other tripod that I ordered, the pieces on the bottom fell off and it wouldn't stand, so it was off balance. So I definitely needed this one. And then what all comes in this? This is it's a red button. I push it, I believe, to take pictures or even to start the video. That's what I believe it is. I gotta read the instructions.
I got this one.
Yeah, that's what it is. A little push button. Wait, you're taking the stuff out. So, this one. This is the screw. You would tighten it up. So it comes with it. Abriel. I'm gonna put this back in the box, and then I will use it shortly. You'll probably see the difference of the video gets started. I'm gonna actually use it today because I need that. And then here is the last object, the last item. It's a 10-swirl smoothie maker. This is another one I can definitely make smoothies for you all. And it is a 40 watts of power, 2500 RPM, titanium alloy blade, 1 button start. So that is basically what the smoothie maker consists of. Let's open it up and we can see what's in it and how it looks. All of the items that I bought I actually will place in the description down below so that you can go and purchase these items. Also, I will put down in the description my storefront because I do have an Amazon store myself, and I will post my storefront link in the description so that you can purchase items from me. So this is the container for where you would insert whatever you want to make into a smoothie. For instance, if you want to put the fruit in your smoothie, you want to put ice, you want to put milk, you want to put vegetables, whatever kind of smoothie that you want to make, you put in that one. Here's another one of the containers that you put in. Here is this. This is the bottom part of the smoothie maker. So that's that. It's a small one. I didn't really need nothing big. I will be showing you all how I make my smoothies on camera. Here are other containers that you can, actually this is the one you can stir on this one onto the smoothie maker as well. And then here are the lids. So, this is one where when you're done, you can put your smoothie in here. You can carry it with you. If you're just on the go, then you can carry it with you. So that is how that one goes.
So, mommy.
Yes, that's the SD card. We need that for memory so we can upload more content.
Yeah.
Also, I didn't say in my intro, but my daughters have a YouTube channel as well. They have yet to upload their first video, but in about a week, we will be uploading their first video. So I want you all to head on over to their channel and subscribe. Obviously, you can't like, comment, because they don't have any videos up, but you sure can put your post notifications on, hit that bell red so that you are notified when their first video drops, also when their other videos drops. The name of their channel is the ARB Girls. I will put that down in the description as well, so that you all can make sure to be subscribed and tune into their channel. We will be doing some family adventures and vacations and different things on their channel. So if you would like to see our family and follow our journey, then you can head on over to their channel and subscribe. So this is the end of my Amazon haul video. As I said before, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.